Here we are, moving out to the chimney, the 6-inch clay. Got done doing a patch here. And there's some formed cast now. Pretty scaled up. Yeah, this part isn't that bad, but the rest of it is pretty bad, and we should descale that at some point in the near future. You'll see it when we get a little bit closer. See how it starts to get rough in here. It gets worse once you get closer back to the house here. We'll come through our patch here. There's our patch. One second. And just to flush the toilet, so it's going to wash this out a little bit here. Patch is in, looking good. You can see that hole, that dimple on the top left there. That's where the damage was. Can you pull this out here? Everyone's excited to run water, get a lot of water on, but definitely needs a descaling eventually here, so we can look at doing down the road.